into. This is our project that we worked, all of us worked together to develop. Our project is a drone, the main overview of the drone. It has 5 wings. Here you have one flash that is a recognition, the brand recognition. The other ones are for emergency, also for other aircrafts, so they can see it like helicopters or planes. Here it has 4 buckets full of cotton. Cotton can absorb up to 27 times its size in water, or in this case humidity, that will be absorbed from the atmosphere. I'm in charge of the programming of the drone. It's very hard to program sometimes the drones because you have to consider the conditions that are in the atmosphere, like humidity, pressure, the air, and the sun. Most of the materials in the drone are very hard to get, and also battery in the drone is not very efficient because they are very big in size. And for example, you charge the battery for 4 hours and it has a flying time of about 15 minutes. So that sometimes is not very efficient for the drone. I'm in charge to make the drone the most efficient it can be, and to get the materials and the design and programming all of this.
Well, my name is Isamar, and my major is industrial engineer. And my contribution to this drone is the planning, organizing, supervising, and management of the operations to produce the drones in the industry. I will determine that if the techniques and the process is efficient or not. I will also plan and develop systems to increment the productivity and to integrate the people, materials, finance, and everything works in excellent conditions. I will also make sure that the drone has excellent quality standards and that it works correctly, and that each piece is in excellent conditions, so that there are no further problems. And I will also recommend changes in the working process to minimize cost, make the production faster, and everything that has to do with the process of developing the drone.
Well, my name is Valeria. My major is biomedical engineering, and my contribution to this project was making the development of the cotton. So this cotton, it doesn't have normal properties of any cotton. We use a polymer coating, especially, so it's gonna change its properties and it's gonna make it highly absorbent. So it's gonna work different at different temperatures, at low and high. When we use it in the sky in the drone, the cotton is gonna absorb water, and when the temperature rises, it's gonna shed all the water that it absorbs. So this cotton can be used also for medical applications, such as treating diseases that are called cholinergic urticaria. When people sweat and their body has a bad reaction, they get hives and they redness. They get also pain and inflammation. So we're going to use this cotton to absorb the sweat when they are doing exercising, or also eating spicy food that make it sweat. And we're going to avoid this bad reaction in their bodies.
Hi, my name is Andres and my major is finance. I was in charge of getting the cost of our product. The cost will be 33,990 pesos, and we're gonna sell it for 99,999.90 pesos. So we're gonna have a margin in the sales. Here is a graph, what we plan. We're gonna start losing some money, but then we're gonna get better and better, and we're gonna stay here. It's gonna be a very rentable product, and well, that's all.
Okay, so my name is Marcela.
My major is marketing, so my contribution to this drone was to determine the target market. For that, I had to make a really long research market, and the results show that our main consumers will be young people that really like technology. So for that, we had to make a campaign that will catch the young people attention, and that's how Maria is gonna explain our campaign that includes the lights in our drones.
My name is Maria, and my major is advertising, and my contribution to the project was to make an effective advertising campaign, which includes the lights on the drone. We use like different color lights, so our product can be recognizable from other drones or airplanes and stuff that are flying also in the sky. And also, like, the advertising campaign will work together with the marketing campaign. So consumers are aware of the product, its properties, how it works, and all the benefits it contributes to society. And part of the campaign will be in social media, like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and the other part will